Hello guys, this was the day na nakuha ang DA17. Ano yung condition from the yard, sakay na sa container, transfer for building, and gi-process na ang pagmasilya, preparation for painting. And here's the paint, just all white. Interior painting, puntik-puntik lang, and the dashboard converted na, cleaning for painting. Interior is clean, additional matting, brake steering converted, insulator for the roofing, palaman lang in between sa headliner and the ceiling or the roof. And here's the final touches. Done buffing and ready for release in a few hours na. Here's the first picture I had released, and yeah, it's running. Inatid ako dito ni Mrs. for work.